This is our introduction video to week 8, our final week of the Spring 1 session for Business Finance 330, March 23 to 27. We have our remote class on Wednesday evening at 5:30, where we conclude with a discussion of financial planning. Any questions or concerns you have about the final examination, which was posted this past Sunday and is due this coming Sunday, March 27th. It is up online and ready to go. Also, for many of you, you have assignment number 4, an interpretation paper of a capital budget analysis. That is due tonight, Tuesday. Extensions are available. But remember, you also have to do the final examination this week, and there are no extensions for that examination. Everything is due March 27th. So technically, as we head into the final week, for all of you who have yet to finish assignment 4, if you get everything to me by next Sunday, March 27th, assignment 4 and your final, you're in good shape. So just don't fret about tonight's deadline. You have plenty of time. You have all this week to complete your work in this course. Course evaluations are due on March 29th, Tuesday, and your final course grades will be posted on Wednesday, March 30th. So just this introduction video to the week is just to organize your thoughts and get ready for the week for Wednesday night's class. Hope to see you all there. I want to talk a little bit about the final examination that has been posted. It's a scaled back final examination, a little bit lighter than what I gave you in the profile or the review document. I just thought a lot of you were going to need some extra time with assignment 4. And so I cut back final examination, but still I'm assessing all the key parts of the second half of our course. And I did it in 3 types of sections. Section 1, short answer, briefly define or provide information on these questions. Now, naturally, you can do all your work on the Word doc file, or you can submit your own file if you like, but I will need 2 files, your final examination work file and your final spreadsheet calculation file for your portfolio. So the short answer is part 1. And part 2 is strictly true or false. A series of statements, and I'm asking you whether they're true or false. That's all. True or false. No explanations, no calculations. True or false involving capital analysis, which you've done in assignments 3 and 4. And then finally, the third section of the examination is to update your portfolio as of this Friday, March 25, 2022. The market closes at the 1 o'clock hour. At the closing, you are to calculate your ending portfolio value as of that date. And since the beginning of your portfolio analysis, way back in week 1, determine the amount of dollars and percent of gains or losses of your portfolio during the course of our business finance session. Then also compare the 3 market indexes, the Dow, the S&P 500, and the NASDAQ over the same period of time. The question you need to answer in your portfolio is, did you better the markets? Did your portfolio of stocks outperform the 3 market indicators in dollars and in dollars, but also in percent, because you'll be doing the market deltas in a percent. Did you better the markets? And then what I'll do is I'll calculate and take all this information to determine who our Wolf of Wall Street is for our course, the one student that outpaced everybody in the performance of positive gains and positive gains on their portfolio during the course of our business finance course. And then the final section is just the links to the 4 CRNs that are associated with our course, from students from Orange County, from Burbank, or from San Fernando Valley, students from online, students from Bakersfield, students from the High Desert and Ontario. You know your CRN number, find that CRN number, 1219 1094 1095 1848. Click on the link and fill out the evaluation. I would be most appreciative if you do that. It helps me, it helps the university provide good feedback from the students on whether we're providing you value and a return on your investments. Very important. So with that being said, we lead into our final week. Lots of work to be done, but also I hope you've enjoyed this class, and we'll talk about this and close out everything on Wednesday evening, and I look forward to seeing you all. Thanks, everybody. Have a great week. See you Wednesday night. Adios.